Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cycling cameras that are available on the market for their true quality. I put this list together based on my personal experience and hours of research. I've ranked them by popularity, quality, price, durability, user reviews, and more. If you'd like more details or want to see the latest prices, be sure to check the description below. And don't forget to subscribe for more reviews. Alright, let's get started with the video! Starting at number 5, we have the GoPro Hero 10 Black. GoPro is a brand that is synonymous with action and adventure. Travel vlogs, cinematic videos, live streams, all these types of videos can and have been filmed with various iterations of the GoPro camera throughout the years. The Hero 10 Black is the latest in a string of GoPros absolutely crammed with the latest technology updates, including 5.3K video at 60p. If that sounds like alien language to you, just know that the footage comes out super crisp and clear. 5 GHz Wi-Fi and hypersmooth 4.0 stabilization. GoPro also provides its own helmet mounts and handlebar mounts, perfect for any cyclist. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Insta360 Go 3. The Insta360 Go 3 isn't just a small and lightweight camera for those who love cycling or mountain biking. What makes it really stand out is its hands-free, effortless operation. You can slap it on your helmet, handlebars, or chest with ease, and start recording all your high-speed antics without having to fumble with a handheld camera. What's even better, the Action Pod mounted on your handlebar lets you preview and control the camera remotely so you can keep your hands on the grips and your eyes on the trail. This is a huge plus on bumpy rides or when you're tackling tricky terrain. Add in slow motion capabilities, a wide-angle lens, impressive stabilization, and improved battery life, and you've got a durable, practical gadget that makes capturing your rides almost as fun as the ride itself. If you're liking what Insta360 has to offer, but consider yourself a more serious rider with serious camera needs, the Insta360 One R Twin Edition is the level up you need. It features a modular design that allows you to easily pick and choose how you want to set up your camera gear according to your own personal needs. From different lenses to storage cards, batteries to sensors, and various types of mounts, the Insta360 is made for the ultimate personalized user experience. At number 3, we have the Akaso V50 X. For the ultimate value for money cycling camera, the Akaso V50 X is a wonderfully affordable and impressively functioning action camera. The biggest flex of the Akaso V50 X is that it can capture 4K 30p footage and has inbuilt stabilization, but can be bought for less than the majority of the cameras on this list. One thing to note is that Akaso don't have their own dedicated line of mounting goods. At number 2, we have the DJI Action II. The tiny DJI Action II is the successor of the popular DJI Osmo Action, although they don't quite feel the same. The DJI Action II is a small cubic camera with a magnetic mounting system. It can shoot 4K up to 120p for super smooth, buttery slow motion. It's also super lightweight and relatively small, so you can mount it anywhere and it won't get in the way. The battery life is surprisingly good, with it boasting 160 mines of runtime without stabilization on. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sony RX0 II. If you're looking to settle for no less than premium quality, then look no further than the Sony RX0 II, which also comes with a premium price tag. This action camera features a 1-inch sensor, meaning there's a huge increase in image quality and dynamic range. It can shoot video footage at 4K and also capture slow-motion footage at frame rates as dense as 960 FPS. One downfall with this camera is that it lacks stabilization, so it's more suitable towards smoother cycling routes. Thanks for watching. That's all for now. I hope to see you in the next video. Until next time.